Ever wondered how to confidently place your first trade on Pocket Option? Let's dive in. First things first, upon logging into Pocket Option, you'll be greeted by your trading interface. Look for the Asset Selection menu. Usually at the top of the screen, this is where you'll choose what financial instrument you want to trade, like currency pairs, stocks, or commodities. Click on it to see the available options and select the one that interests you. Next, let's talk about time. Binary options trading revolves around specific expiration times. You'll see an option to select how long your trade will be active. Pocket Option offers various expiries, from a minute to several hours. Choose an expiration time that aligns with your trading strategy and your prediction time frame. Now, for the exciting part, your investment. Locate the field where you can input your desired investment amount. This is the capital you are risking for this particular trade. Start with amounts you're comfortable with, especially when you're starting out, and gradually adjust as you gain experience. With your asset, expiration, and investment set, it's time to make your prediction. Observe the price chart. Is the asset's price likely to go up or down by the expiration time? Based on your analysis, click the up button if you believe the price will rise, or the down button if you expect it to fall. And that's it. Your trade is now active. You can monitor your open trades on your dashboard. Remember, successful trading involves a combination of understanding market movements, using charting tools, and managing your risk effectively. Practice regularly, and you'll be navigating Pocket Option with confidence in no time.